There is one author. His name is Mr. Hawkins. Okay, David R. Hawkins. He is PhD, MD, PhD, and he has written this book. I have not read the book, but yes, there is a very interesting concept which he's talking about in this book. I have not read the book, but yes, I have watched few YouTube videos, and I strongly suggest you all, just as a homework, I'm giving this to you. I strongly suggest that do some research on Hawkins scale. He's talking about Hawkins scale in his book. Now, what is Hawkins scale? Let's discuss about it. This is all about consciousness. Okay, we as a human being, we have, uh, as per the book, I mean, we have total 12 dimensions of how we live our life. Okay, I mean, how many of you sometimes feel little? How many of you sometimes feel challenge in managing your emotions? Just like me. Sometimes you feel so motivated. Some days are good, some days are bad, right? So we go like this, zigzag, okay, up and down. So when we talk about emotions and also when we talk about consciousness, okay, conscious living. So he is talking about there are 12 different dimensions. Let's not cover each and everything in detail because I have not read the book. But yes, I am giving you this homework. Definitely go to YouTube and watch some videos related to Hawkins scale. Okay, what is Hawkins scale? Understand more deep about it. Okay, I have also watched few videos, so just few concepts I'm going to share with you. There are multiple, uh, you know, uh, dimensions of living. Okay, as per Hawkins scale, and at the bottom, can you see hell? Okay, hell, and at the top there is heaven. So if you if your daily routine, if whatever you are doing, okay, your daily routine, in your daily routine, most of your just audit your own emotions. Okay, audit your own emotions and just observe that do you go through these red, okay, emotions marked in red, do you go through these emotions frequently? Example one is shame. These all are negative emotions, right? Guilt, apathy. What is apathy? Apathy means you are doing something which you are not interested in. Okay, just like people are going to job, they're not interested. Okay, but still they have to go to job, they have to travel. Okay, they're not interested in Monday mornings. Okay, Monday morning blues, right? So apathy, then grief, okay, sadness, right? Then fear, always emotions of fear, like what will happen. I mean, they are fearful about the future, they are fearful about their financial status. Okay, when people are always, these are the negative emotions. When most of your emotions, okay, I mean, just kind of, I mean, you're going through these emotions on a regular basis in whatever activities you are doing, it means you are living in hell. Simple. This is the lowest ego self. Okay, in terms of Hawkins scale, you got less than 20 points if you are shameful. Okay, whatever you are doing. And then when I say shameful, okay, can you just give me some examples of real life situation where you feel shameful? Okay, just as an example, um, as an example, like if you are, example, you are, um, imagine a situation where your child, your son or daughter, okay, your child is demanding something from you. She or he has a desire. Suppose it's a birthday, and he or she wants a PlayStation, example PS5. Okay, and because your child's friend has PlayStation, and he or she is demanding the same from you. Now you're saying, no, no, beta, right now we don't have money. It is too costly. It is too this, and you are making some excuses. And then you say, sad face of your child. Do you feel, as a father, as a mother, do you feel ashamed of yourself? Why am I not making money? There are so many people who can afford it, but I cannot afford it. Yes. So it is a feeling of shame on self. Okay. Why am I not able to do it? Your wife is demanding something, you want to do something, but you're not able to do because of your financial situation, whatever situation, right? Got it? So this is one scenario, okay, which usually happens, right? One. Then guilt, then apathy, you're not at all interested in going to job. You just got a call from your boss, and your boss is shouting at you, and he's saying, come to office 1 hour before time. You have so many things to do. You are not up to the mark. You are, I mean, he or she, I mean, your boss is always scolding you, and still you have to wake up and you have to go to your job. It is feeling of apathy, something in which you are not interested, but you have to do it. Grief, you're always having this sad face. Okay. And fear, you always have some fear, like, okay, what if, what if I, I lose my job? What if something happens, okay, in future? Okay, you're always fearful about the future. So don't you think now, my I just want to do a quick survey, quick poll from all of you, with all of you. Don't you think that the people who are stuck in their job, and even there's so many students who are into school and who are schooling, okay, and also into college, don't you think that most of the people in school and job, they're going through these emotions almost daily? How many of you agree with this? I mean, maybe if you have done any job. So I'm not saying that all the time, but yes, sometimes you feel good. Okay, wow, I'm into job. I've got appraisal. I've got on-site opportunity. But don't you think that most of the time, especially into job, these kind of emotions are very common. People are going through these emotions. That's why they're always thinking about quitting their job. How many of you agree with this point? Yes or no? Right? Uh, yes, you must do some research also about Hawkins scale on YouTube, but I'm just sharing my point of view on this. And don't you think this is the number one reason? Okay, this is the number one reason why you should quit your job as soon as possible. Understanding your financial situation, obviously, understanding your financial situation, keeping everything in balance, then, but you should plan to come out of this hell. This is hell. Living like this is a hell. Okay, there should be a plan. Come out of this hell. This is victim consciousness. You're always feeling victim. Okay, absolutely. Because this is an environment. Okay, it is all about the environment. When you are into such kind of environment where you feel these emotions frequently, this is hell. But now let's talk about the yellow part. Okay, desire. Okay, then anger, pride. Anger is also negative, but still anger, pride, desire, then courage. Okay, uh, then you are into yellow part. Okay, I hope you understand that. Now I'm not going deep into every concept, but yes, this is the part I want to focus more. But yes, then courage, neutrality. Okay, willingness, acceptance, inner light, inner wisdom, inner love, oneness, presence, non-duality. Okay, awareness, non-duality, right? Awareness and great void, divine grace and love union, casual truth, and then full consciousness. And this is where you are absolute self. Now, how to do it? There are multiple practices. I hope, I mean, I think that is mentioned on in the book itself. But don't you think that if you, let's go back to the bottom, okay? If somebody has to come out of this red zone to yellow or green zone, environment plays a very important role to pull you from red to green, right? Environment, something which you do for which you're always excited, something which you do where you feel, where you have a feeling of fulfillment, where you have a feeling of fulfillment, correct? Then you can say inner light, you can feel inner love. Love is when you give some charity, when you do something where you find other people saying thanks to you, thank you, ma'am, thank you, sir, because of you, my life has changed. Because of you, I'm able to make money. Because of you, my business is growing. Because of you, I can afford so many things. Now, don't you think that if you are into this environment where people are always saying thanks to you, you're into an environment where always people, nobody is judging you, especially in job, people judge you, right? In schooling, in school also, people judge you, okay? But suppose you are into an environment where nobody is judging you, everybody is accepting you based on, it does not matter whether you are from which background, okay? Whether you see in job, especially in job and in school, people judge you based on the marks you have obtained. In job, people judge you based on the rank, okay, based on the designation which you have. Like, I'm a graduate trainee, I'm a software engineer, okay, people judge you accordingly. But if I say I'm a area group manager, oh sir, group manager, general manager, oh wow, general manager. So people are judging you based on your designation. Okay, but if you're in an environment where people do not judge you based on your marks, how much marks you have obtained in your high school, everybody is ready to accept you. Okay, neutrality, courage, people are giving you courage to do whatever you want to do. Okay, you're living in an environment where you are fully free, and you can sense, or you can see, you can imagine a bright future. Okay, so it gives you a new hope for yourself, new dreams for yourself, for your family members. It gives you new energy, right? Don't you think that, I mean, imagine that you attend a particular session, maybe maybe from some spiritual guru, somebody whom you aspire for, okay, your idol, and you hear a very good talk, okay, and don't you think in just 1 hour talk, when you listen to that particular podcast or talk, you actually feel, yes, I can do it, I can also do it. You feel more connected, you feel um, possibilities, you feel hopeful, right? So, but that is fluctuating. Again, you hear something, you are hopeful, you feel hopeful, but then later on, again, you come back to the hell zone. Okay, because next time again you have to go to the job, right? Because that's your daily routine. But imagine if you are always into a routine where you always have this third or fourth dimension experiences. This is the this is the best. This is the best profession. You are into a profession where you're always experiencing these positive emotions. You're always into, I mean, this is the best profession which you can choose, right? Right, got it. So don't you think, now let's connect to network marketing. Okay, don't you think that people here in network marketing are always excited? Are you excited? New dreams, new month, even next year 2025, new year. Let's dream big with our team. When you have a huge team, even if these people are not your downlines, okay, you are into a community where everybody is ready to help each other. You feel confident. Okay, you feel confident, like I have so many people with whom I can take some help if I am into any kind of negative situation. These are the people who are going to help me. There is no blood relation, but yes, we have we have this business kind of environment where everybody is ready to help each other, right? You feel confident, right? So don't you think that, I mean, one thing is we understand network marketing based on what we see in the presentations, but I'm trying to explain you how important it is to choose professions like network marketing, where this you get an environment where you can always experience even at least third or fourth dimension. Now, other dimensions at the top, these all are based on your own habits and your individuality. But at least third and fourth dimension, network marketing, this environment, this culture can really pull you towards at least third or fourth dimension. After hearing this Hawkins scale, okay, how many of you how many of you are feeling blessed? Okay, just type blessed in the chat box. Literally, when I think the decision which I have taken to join network marketing, I every day I feel blessed. Wow, I'm into a brilliant profession. Got it?